Hi, you guys, it's Ruby from Oofy Scraps, and I'm back with another story in my December daily album. We are super close to being done with this, which I'm really excited. I've kind of been reignited and re energized with this album, seeing that I can find the light at the end of the tunnel. I was super excited pre December, really excited in the beginning, and then I kind of started losing steam. It felt like never ending, and now I'm seeing the end is near, and I'm getting super excited again. So today we're working on story number 22, and I'm actually using one of my foundation pages. This is my first year really getting fully into December Daily. Last year in 2020, well, it's 2022 right now, but this 2021 year was my first real intense December Daily year. But 2020, I just did a tiny 4x4 album kind of at the last minute. Didn't buy any real December Daily products. I had 2 paper pads and that was pretty much it. But this year I bought a bunch of stuff from Ali Edwards. I collected stuff from scrapbook.com, Hobby Lobby, all over the place, and was super excited, really involved in the community. So I did a ton of foundation pages and it was really fun. I think that I went a little overboard, and I think that was part of my burnout, was that I spent so much time ahead of the season doing December Daily stuff that by the time the season came, I was a little burnt out creativity wise. I don't know. But my creative energy was dwindling. So this was my favorite, I think, foundation page that I made. It's using one of the Ali Edwards vellum pockets and one of her plastic frames, some wood veneer, and I use this really cute paper you guys see right now with rainbow star shape things. And I just loved this foundation page. So I'm excited that I'm actually using it, because I sort of limited myself in a way with my foundation pages because I made them so decorative that they didn't really have room for stories, and I oftentimes use multiple photos. So I didn't often have room to use the foundation pages because they didn't have enough space for my photos. So that's something I will learn for next year. But anyways, so this is about my boyfriend who went home to his family, which is, he lives further north, and he always spends actual Christmas Eve and Christmas with his family, so it's kind of a bummer. But it was really funny because I'd taken a photo of my dog, which is on the other side of this long skinny journaling card, sleeping under the tree, and then he sent a photo of his dog sleeping under their tree. So I didn't know how these photos were going to make it into the album, but then I knew I had this foundation page left, and it worked out. So I'm just adding my typed journaling. I cut it into strips. I'm just using my tweezers and my glue pen to stick it onto this page, and this is definitely something I got inspiration from Leilani Scraps. She does this a lot, where she cuts her journaling into strips and uses a glue pen and tweezers to put them on whatever paper page. So it's a super great trick, especially if you have more journaling or you're not super obsessed with your handwriting, which I am both of those in this situation. So yeah, and then I just glue that all down, and this will all stick in the pocket. I created that little pull tab with just some ribbon and a gold heart brad, and I think it turned out so cute. And then I have some double-sided red line tape, 1/8 inch red line tape around the whole frame, and the bottom is already stuck down, but I'm going to take off the backing of the top 3 edges, and I will stick it right onto the photo so that the photo is adhered down with the frame, underneath the frame. So yeah, I'm really excited about this little story. It's really cute. It's definitely not oh my god, had to tell this specific story, but I think it's a cute one. And dogs are definitely a big part of our family and our holiday and everything like that. So it was fun. And you can see on this little foundation page, I used a wood veneer from Ali. I used some puffy stickers from, I think, Simple Stories, but it might be crepe paper. I don't remember. And then one of those canvas word strips from Ali's 2021 release that says fa la 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 la. And those were definitely, I think, my favorite thing from that release. I love them, and I've used almost all of them already. Well, already in this album. So yeah, and then I used some of that paper. I think it's crepe paper holidays, maybe. I don't remember what the collection was called, but I cut those pink little hexagons or whatever they are out of that paper. And now I'm adding my number. I contemplated adding those gold puffy or foam numbers, But then I decided to use these colorful ones because the twos happen to be red. Those are both from Target, those like letter alphabet stickers. I was gonna put the 22 on the bottom of that journaling card, but there wasn't enough space and I wanted it to be visible right when you saw the layout. And as you can see, what I decided to do instead was take these glittery Christmas trees that were from Ali Edwards' 2019 collection and just stick those in the bottom because it is a story about dogs sleeping under Christmas trees. So I thought it'd be a cute way to fill up that space. And yeah, I think I add some tiny word stickers just to this photo of my dog under the Christmas tree, and that is, I think, all I do. But yeah, as I said before, this is like one of my favorite, if not my favorite foundation pages I made, and so it didn't really matter what story I really told with it. I knew it was going to end up being one of my favorite, if not my favorite, layouts in the album. I do really like what I end up doing for 24, and I loved I think it was the 14th story, the ice skating layout. I think that one came out really, really cute. So I think next year, like pre-December daily season, I will share like favorites from the years before. But yeah, so I'm adding a little heart and my stickers, those little word stickers, and I'm just tucking it in, seeing how it looks, and that is pretty much it for this quick layout. I will work on 23 on the back side of this, and I'll see you guys then. Thanks so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.